Look, Dad.
Tungnin na lamis, malamig, cold. Tungnin pa ilokom si to Victoria. Tungnin. Yan. Snowy pie. Ako na. Yaw, maritay gwet
Hi, I'm a
makpet.
kid.
Maritay gwet makpet, snowman.
I know it's snowy.
Uhu.
Daddy, look. Hiya.
Okay, let's go.
Wow.
Let me see.
Here.
Oh,
You wanna post that?
oh, it's really snowing, right? Yan, nag-i-snow na naman.
So
Snow na.
Katie,
Ilang araw na naman yun.
when we went to Nanaimo, Katie, I actually,
Snow na naman.
so Katie actually is really telling the truth because he says
Yan, ang
it's
snow
gonna be
namin.
snowing tomorrow.
Dumating na ngayong, ngayong February 2.
Groundhog Day.
What?
Do you know Groundhog Day is February 2?
Dito ako sa bahay. Ganda ng view ngayon. Puting-puti. Yan. Lamig na naman sa labas.